Hey, it's Lee at Carson City RV. Today, I'm very excited. We're going to talk about the 2026 Wildcat Maxx by Forest River. I'm really excited about this thing because it's super cool and it has a lot of features that I know that you're going to like. The Wildcat Maxx has some really cool things going for it. It's got this front fiberglass cap with the integrated windshield. That's something new for this year. Something that you really only see on high-end motorhomes are these slam-latched storage doors. Look at the size of that storage. I cannot get over that. That's 32 inches wide by 28 inches tall. And you can see how much room there is in here. And then you can also see a little bit of a hint on the construction on how they put these things together. It's an aluminum cage with a 2-inch vacuum bonded sidewall. Really, really nicely done. We're gonna close this up. Watch this. Very, very cool. Going along the side here, you have your usual suspects. You got your outdoor shower, which again, that's my preferred method of showering, and then you have the hot water tank, which is 60,000 BTUs, so you're never going to run out of hot water in this thing. Going around to the wheel and tire setup, Forest River's done something different this year. It's a 15-inch tire and it's E-rated, and you've got a Dexter axles. Okay, so those are going to be more heavy duty. I believe those are 6,000 pound axles, and then you do actually have a leaf suspension. So what's important about that is it's going to give you a smoother ride when you're towing it, and ultimately it's a lot safer. Going over to the side here, you do have some ventilated storage, which again is lockable. And then they did a really nice job with the decals and the color combination on this. Really high quality. Coming around the back here, you do have a 50 amp hookup and your cable satellite. Now what's important about this 50 amp hookup, you do have a 13.5 BTU AC unit on the unit itself. You can expand it to 2 AC units, and that's why we have that 50 amp circuit. Back here, you've got this really big panorama window in the back. And then, you know, your usual things like your Lippert ladder bracket, and it is backed up for, it is prepped for a backup camera, which I would definitely have to have if I were towing this thing, just to have a little more confidence. Another thing that is really interesting is you normally don't see the power stab jacks. You know, maybe 1 out of every 10 or 15 coaches have that. So it has it, and there's no getting out fumbling with a drill or anything like that. It's already built in. Now let's talk about the side here. Integrated into the side of the coach, you do have JBL speakers, and those are marine grade, so all weather, you don't have to worry about it. And then on the top here, you have a 20-foot awning, and that actually goes over the top of the tip out, which the slide outs never have that. That's an interesting design. And then the door is Gorilla Glass, and it is 30 inches wide. So it's a wider opening, and then you do have the Lippert steps, which are solid. Now it doesn't seem like a big deal, but if you got pets or maybe somebody in the family that doesn't get around so well, let's go inside and take a look. Okay, on the inside here, you've got 2 pull-out couches. You've got a main couch here, and then you have this love seat. They both pull out into beds. And you have the RV style 12 volt TV. And you also have a built-in JBL speaker system that integrates the speakers on the inside of the coach to the outside. 5100 BTU fireplace. Your oven is it's a 21-inch stove oven combo, and you do have a 3-burner stove. Real life-size microwave there. Your refrigerator is a 12-volt refrigerator, and that is 10 cubic feet, so pretty much good size for just about anything you're going to put in there. Large kitchen island. I really like this kitchen island. It's solid surface, and you do have the oversized farmhouse style stainless steel sink. And then check this out. This is really cool. For garbage. Chopping stuff up, you got a garbage container there. Really cool. And then your dinette it's full-size seating for 6 people. So you can fit 6 regular-sized human beings there. These slides are opposing. So you have one slide here and then another slide here. Now, because this coach is 96 inches wide, that's 8 feet, you get another, let's say 2.5 feet here and another 2 feet on the other side. So you got 14, feet of, living area. And it really is beautiful how they put that together. The floor and the ceiling are insulated with something they call astrofoil. And it's gonna do better in the hot and the cold weather. So this is your bathroom. You have a porcelain toilet, and then you have this full-size shower enclosure, which is, goes up about 7 feet. So any of you taller guys out there, this is going to be a good fit for you. And then you don't have a curtain. You have this, which saves a lot of space, and it makes all the sense in the world. You have additional storage here, full-size, fixtures, and you do have a sink there and more storage. This is kind of the star of the show. This is basically a king-size bed. It's 66 by 80, so it's a little bit narrower than a standard king-size mattress. But you guys that are on the taller side, it's going to be a good fit for you. You do have storage underneath the bed, and then USB and power outlets on both sides of the bed. So if one person needs a CPAP machine, the other one wants to charge a cell phone, whatever, you're going to be able to do that. Then you also have your mounting area for your TV is here, and then there's some additional storage right here. And Forest River really does a good job with their closet, or their organizers and stuff, because they know you want to hang your clothes up. You also have this box right here, which has all of your controls for your slide, your solar panels if they're equipped with it, and also you do have, for the colder weather, you do have heated tanks. There's heating pads, 12-volt heating pads on your tanks. So there's your Forest River Wildcat Maxx. All right, so there you have it. This was the 2026 Wildcat Maxx by Forest River. This is a beautiful RV. It has a lot of things going for it. You really need to come down and take a look at it. So let's talk a little bit about the price. Full asking price on this unit is $69,378. But here at Carson City RV, we don't believe in selling anything for full list price. Get in touch with me. All my information's down there in the description. Our goal is to make the price and the monthly payment fit into your budget. We want to do everything that we can to earn your business. So until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We're going to catch you on the next one. Happy camping and goodbye.